National Weather Service in Hanford has issued a flash flood warning for northern Fresno County in Central California, northeastern Madera County in Central California, central Mariposa County in Central California until 4:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 1:11 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Oakhurst, Chilcoot Meadow, Poison Ridge, Minarets, Patterson, Fish Camp, Graveyard Meadow, Clover Meadow Wilderness Office, and NE. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following counties in California: Fresno, Madera, and Mariposa.